Okay, so here we are on the last part. So in this we will be solving for the omega, the final angular, the maximum angular frequency, so that the water will not spill out of the edge of the cup. So we will start it off by using these two equations that we solved for volume in the past and setting them equal to each other. So we'll have pi r squared times our d dip value, because of the dip thing, equaling to angular frequency, or angular frequency squared, multiplied by pi r to the power of 4 all over 4g. So here we are able to cancel out this r squared, leaving this one just to be r squared, and we are able to cancel out the pi's. So we are left with our dip being equal to angular frequency squared, r squared, all of that being over 4g. So now that we have our d, we also have our r here, that's known, and we have our hr equaling r down here. We are now able to plug all of these values into this height formula. So we'll have height being equal to big R minus our dip, omega squared, r squared, we'll add r there, all of this over 4g, and this is being added to it's similar, but it's not exactly the same. Omega squared, r squared, all of this being over 2g. So now we can go ahead and simplify by getting the h and r on the same side. So we'll have h minus r is equal to, and then these some things will cancel out here, so it will just leave us with angular frequency squared, r squared, all of this being over 4g. And now from here, since we are trying to solve for the angular frequency, we're just going to do a little bit of rearranging. So we will get omega squared is equal to, I'll have to multiply the 4g's of the hr, so 4g times h minus r, and all of this is going to be over r squared. So now, last step is just a square root. So we get our angular frequency being equal to square root of 4 is 2, and then this will have to be in a root, obviously. So square root g times h minus r, and then the square root of r squared is just r. So there we go. That is the equation that we could use to find the maximum angular frequency, so that the water does not, or the liquid in the container does not spill over the edges. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video.